Hello, hi guys. Let us begin with Smart Kriya Current Affairs Mock Test 3rd April. Virat Kohli has become the third captain to lead India in the 200 international matches. Who among the following was first to do the same? The correct answer for the same is Mohammad Azharuddin. So Mohammad Azharuddin was the first captain who led India in 200 international matches. After that, MS Dhoni had the record. Mohammad Azharuddin was unfortunately involved in a match scandal. He was involved in betting. Edelweiss Infrastructure Yield Plus, an alternative investment fund from the Edelweiss Group, has snapped up a controlling how much percent stake in French utility NG Group's solar assets in India for a reported USD 550 million. Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is 74%. So 74% stake in the NG Group's India's solar assets and for a reported USD 550 million. The NG Group has 813 megawatt of operational solar assets in the country, and it plans to add up to 2 gigawatt more over the next couple of years, which once commissioned will be acquired by the EIYP, the fund said. Who among the following has been sworn in as the US General? The correct answer for the same is Vivek Murthy. So Vivek Murthy has been appointed as the US Surgeon General, and he was sworn in as the 21st US Surgeon General of the US. His role and his top priority would be the end of coronavirus pandemic that has severely hit the country and will be a voice for science. Which organization has been conferred the prestigious Role Model Award at the most coveted and prestigious 11th CII National HR Excellence Award 2021? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is NTPC Limited. So, India's largest integrated power generation company, NTPC Limited, has been conferred the Role Model Award. CII National Chairman on Leadership and HR, Mr. Sanjay Behel, presented the award along with Ms. Indrani Kar, head of CII's Suresh Neotia Center for Excellence for Leadership, to Shri D.K. Patel, Director HR, in the virtual conference Learn from Achievers held today amid senior leaders from the industry and HR assessors. Right? So, Shri D.K. Patel, Director HR, was given in the virtual conference. The Reserve Bank of India has imposed a monetary penalty of how many lakhs on the Fed Bank Financial Services Limited, Mumbai, for non-compliance with certain provisions of the central bank's direction on monitoring of frauds? The correct answer for the same is 15 lakh. So, Reserve Bank of India has imposed a monetary penalty of rupees 15 lakh on Fed Bank Financial Services Mumbai for non-compliance with certain provision of central bank's direction of monitoring of frauds. So, the penalty has been imposed in exercise of powers vested in RBI under the provision of Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. Which firm and IFSCA have signed a memorandum of understanding to establish a framework for collaboration and cooperation for the development of Gujarat International Financial Tech City, IFSC, as a world-class fintech hub? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is FICCI. So FICCI and IFSCA has signed a memorandum of understanding to establish a framework for collaboration and cooperation for the development of Gujarat International Finance Tech City, IFSC, as a world-class fintech hub. This MOU will pave the way for future collaborations and cooperation between the IFSCA and FICCI for the development of a world-class fintech hub in GIFT IFSC. Which of the following banks has launched Unicarbon Card, a HPCL co-branded credit card on the RuPay platform NPCI? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is Union Bank of India. So Union Bank of India has launched the Unicarbon Card, an HPCL co-branded credit card on the RuPay platform of NPCI on March 26, 2021. Speaking on the occasion, Sri Rajkiran Rai ji, Managing Director and CEO, Union Bank of India, said that it is a unique card designed with association, one of the largest public sector bank, Union Bank of India and HPCL. The leader is a fuel retail and RuPay, India's largest card payment network. It will create an opportunity to create value for the customers. So the largest public sector bank, one of the largest public sector bank is Union Bank of India, and HPCL is a leader in the fuel retail, and RuPay is the largest card payment network. So all of them have come together. Restrictions on PMC Bank have been extended till which day by the RBI? The correct answer for the same is 30th June 2021. So Reserve Bank of India have Friday announced that the restrictions on the withdrawals and deposits in the scam hit Punjab and Maharashtra Cooperative Bank have been extended till June 30, 2021. The restriction on the bank's activity were first placed in September 2019 after the central bank took cognizance of a major financial irregularity. The restrictions were consecutively extended and were set to expire on March 31, 2021. Which state government has organized Banana Festival? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is Uttar Pradesh. So Uttar Pradesh has organized the Banana Festival in Kushinagar from March 22 to 25, which has witnessed the participation of at least 35 farmers and entrepreneurs. Which one of the following has signed Memorandum of Understanding with Trade Promotion Corporation of India for the agro and food processing sector and film tourism sector? Kindly give the correct answer. The correct answer for the same is Jammu and Kashmir Trade Promotion Organization. So they have signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Trade Promotion Corporation of India for the agro and food processing sector and film tourism sector. The MOU was signed during the inauguration of J&K Pavilion at South Asia's largest integrated FB trade show, Indus Food 2021, being held at India Exposition Mart, New Delhi. Which board has announced a competency-based assessment framework for class 6th to 10th based on National Education Policy 2020? The correct answer for the same is CBSE. So CBSE has announced the competency-based assessment framework for classes 6th to 10th based on the National Education Policy 2020. As per the board, the framework will replace the existing rote model learning model and will focus on assessing students based on their competencies and need to solve day-to-day problems. Who among the following has addressed the 7th annual summit of Nat Health focusing on India health system expansion in post-COVID era? The correct answer for the same is Harshvardhan, Dr. Harshvardhan. So Dr. Harshvardhan, Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare, has addressed the 7th annual summit of Nat Health, focusing on India health system expansion in post-COVID era through a video conference today. Suhu Wook is the defense minister of which country who has visited India recently? The correct answer for the same is South Korea. So he is South Korea's defense minister and he was on a 3-day visit to India from March 25th to March 27th so as to enhance bilateral military ties. He visited Agra on March 27th, where army paratroopers gave him a demonstration of air insertion. India has initiated third phase of Indian Beamline project in which country? The correct answer for the same is Japan. So India has initiated third phase of Indian Beamline project in Japan. So third phase of the Indian Beamline project, the facility for material research, is set up under the India-Japan Scientific and Technological Cooperation. It was initiated on March 23, 2021 with special focus on industrial application research. India and US navies have conducted PASEX in which area? The correct answer for the same is Bay of Bengal. So they have conducted PASEX in the Bay of Bengal, reflecting the growing congruence in their defense and military partnership. Who among the following is the author of the book Indians: A Brief History of Civilization? The correct answer for the same is Namit Arora. So Namit Arora is the author of the book Indian: A Brief History of Civilization. He explores how Indian lived, ate, loved, built, fought and made sense of the material, rational and spiritual world down from the ages. Which publication is to publish Vinod Kapri's true account of the migrant exodus 1232 km? The Long Journey Home? The correct answer for the same is HarperCollins. So HarperCollins Publishers India are going to publish the Vinod Kapri's books of true account of the migrant exodus of 1232 km. This is a compelling book. A Long Journey Home is the true account of human grief, grit, gumption, which will release in May 21. ISRO has partnered with which organization to advance space research similar to NASA JPL Caltech model? The correct answer for the same is IIST. So ISRO is embarking on a mission of a different kind by taking the Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology to a much higher futuristic research orbit. The Bengaluru headquarters space agency is striking a partnership with the IIST, something related to the JPL Caltech, similar to the JPL Caltech model in United States. Right? So JPL, Jet Propulsion Laboratory, is federally funded by the US space agency NASA and managed by Caltech, California Institute of Technology. Which of the following countries has topped the medal tallies with 15 gold, 9 silver and 6 bronze in ISSF Shooting World Cup? The correct answer for the same is none of these, as India has topped the medals tally. Public procurement from GEM portal has crossed rupees 1 lakh crore. The portal was launched in the year. The correct answer for the same is 2016. So the portal was launched in the year 2016 and it has crossed 1 lakh crore government buying portal. Public procurement of goods and services has crossed 1 lakh crore from the government buying portal GEM since the platform launched in August 2016. Thank you for watching. I shall be back with the Hindi video of the same.